Hi everyone, if you wish to increase the RAM of your laptop or desktop, either Windows 10 or Windows 11, and you don't have money to buy physical RAM, then virtual RAM might be the only solution for you. Not only that, it also helps to improve your computer performance and accelerate at which your system works very fine. And the process is very simple. Just watch this video to the end. Come to this place, type in about your PC. Now click on this one that says about your PC. Now once you've done that, you have yourself at this place, storage, graphic card and others. Scroll down a little bit, you have access to what make up your PC, the memory you install, which is my own is 16 gigabytes. Your might be 2, 4, 8 and the rest. So my own is 16 gigabytes. Now come to this place, click on advanced system settings. Once you click on that button, then this window pop up here. Make sure you are under advanced, click on settings here. Once you click on settings, then click on this advanced settings again here. Now here, make sure you come over to this place that says virtual memory. This is where the magic will start. A paging file is an area of the hard disk that Windows uses as if it were RAM. So it tells us that a particular place on your hard disk that your window can be used as a RAM, which will help you to accelerate your device and make your device work perfectly. Now go ahead and click on this change button. So once you uncheck this place, select your C drive here, then come to this place, click on the customize button. Then we have important information there, which is known as its initial size and maximum size. But guys, for this to be easy for you guys, I've made a special calculation table which you can use that will guide you in this video. Now the first thing is this, which says initial size RAM is 1.5 while the maximum size RAM is 3.5. It tells you that maximum size RAM is times 2 of the initial size RAM, but 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes. So if your RAM is 2 gigabytes, you're going to use this particular formula. If your RAM is 4 gigabytes, you're using this formula. 8 you're using this, while 16 you are using this. This is just a formula for you to use. And here guys, I'll also bring out my calculator so that I will also help you do that in a moment. Don't forget that I'm using 16 gigabytes memory on my device. And once you click on this button, you need to enter the initial value here. So initial value here now on 6 gig RAM is this 16 times 104 times 1024 times 1.5 is equal to this. So we are entering 24,576 as initial here. So 24,576. Then the next place is the maximum. By just multiply this by 2, it's going to give you what we wanted, which is now 49,152. But let's do the calculation again so that you will not be confused about this. Now here we're going to times 16 times 1024 times 3. You see that is 49,152. So enter 49,000 here, 152. Then click on this set icon. Once you click on the set icon, you see that the current allocated has come here as recommended. You see that the initial size, which is currently allocated, is 24,576 megabytes. Once you click on this set icon, click on OK. Now click on this OK button here, then click on OK here. Now once you've done that, restart your system and you'll see that your system will run perfectly fast, smooth, and you're going to enjoy the best out of your system. How was it? If you enjoyed this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.